Gonna be doing a little ride bike check. I did a quick little review earlier. Now I'm gonna actually do a quick little ride review. So yeah, going back to 2019 RIP 9 RDO, 27.5-inch wheels, guys. Didn't go with the 29er. I kind of explained why I didn't in the last video. Kind of doing my quick little trail out here. It's I don't even know, it's only like 3 miles or something like that, so it's really not too long, but it's cool. It's been raining the last couple days, so we'll let that dry out. I usually kind of just go up that and then just kind of go up to the top of that. And this is actually a really fucking sketchy rutted out old MX hill climb type of track. So yeah, nobody really rides a mountain bike up here except maybe like a couple. I don't even think they even hit this. So yeah, it's a hidden little gem. So I'll do a video of this downhill section pretty soon, probably on my next couple videos or something. So alright, well, let's get to it. Like I said, I keep a little timber bell on here because mostly for the wildlife here, but I'll tell you what, I'm actually going to turn this bell off so you guys don't hear that annoying thing. You don't need to in this video, so it's cool. You can just basically flick it up, make it quiet, or flick it down and give it some noise. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm glad I got it. So all right. Whoa, Roadrunner, sweet. I haven't seen one of those in a long ass time. All right, cool. I've not seen a Roadrunner in a few years. All right, this was all freaking rutted out. Yeah, it's fucking sketch. Yeah, it's just fucking super rutted. Like I said, because the rain wasn't that bad like a couple weeks ago, but it's really fucking muddy and shitty. Oh well. So I'm gonna turn the camera off because it's not even worth like watching this freaking climb.